Welcome to the Bee Cooperative. Very quick video just to show the installation and removal of the spacers we provide. So these are available for if you have fatter frames, a 9-frame setup or Manly frames. Very easy to install and remove. So installation, pull the spindle just away from the center, drop the spacer in between the two spindles, and again just pull the spindle away again for each side and just slot it in up against the end piece. Removal is just as simple. You'll need an Allen key or a screwdriver, anything that fits in the hole at the end. So we do exactly the same. Put the Allen key in the end, pull the spindle towards you and just push until it comes all the way out, and then again pull the spindle away from you to remove the spacer. Any questions, please just get in touch with us on the website and we'll be happy to help.